Hi, welcome back to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to finish up your customization and also create your wishlist page. And without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm back to my dashboard, and the first thing you need to do is to create a page. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on add new right here. So I'm going to call this page wishlist, and I want to use the default template. But next, now to this, I'm going to select this Astra right here. Default template here. Okay, I want to disable the title. And disable the title. I'm going to disable title, and I'm going to leave this as this, and I'm going to click on publish. Cool. So after doing that, you need to come to your Yeet page to set this particular page. So I'm just going to come back to this page to click on Yeet, and we have wishlist. I'm going to click on this and bring us to this page. So the first thing you want to enable is load any catchable wishlist item via Ajax. You might have yours disabled by default, so you need to enable it, and you need to click on save options. So after saving your options, you need to come to add wishlist options. I already have it saved, so I'm just going to click on leave. But you need to enable yours, enable Ajax loading. You need to click on yes to enable it, and after doing that, save the page and click on add to wishlist options. Now after product is added to wishlist, what should appear? I want remove from list. Of course, this is more of user experience. So after the add to wishlist, the next button should be remove from wishlist, and shouldn't be view wishlist or add to wishlist again. So you can use either of these two. You can use either of these two, this one or this. So I think I prefer this, remove from wishlist or view wishlist, either of the two. So the next thing you need to set is just go through the settings and add to wishlist in loop. Yes. Position of add to wishlist button after add to cart button. Yes. On product page after add to cart. Yes. Add to wishlist text. You can change this text to wishlist depending on the copy you are working with, like the copy of text you are working with. So product added, brand wish list, the product is already in your wish list, blah blah blah. Style of add to wish list, I want it as textual anchor, and I think I'm cool. I'm going to save options, and the next page you are going to is wish list page options. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select the page I just created right here. I'm going to select the page I just created right here. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to select wish list. Cool. Then I want to copy this code right here. I'm going to copy the code right here. Start copying it. You come back to your page, and I want to add a block. So I'm going to search for short code. I'm going to select this, and I'll paste the code right in here, and I'm going to click on update. So we have all these. Remove if added to carts. Yes. Share wish list. Yes, that is, you want to give people the option to share their wish list with their friends and so on and so forth. Just go through the settings and come up with what you want, and I'm going to click on save options. Now while that is saved, I'm going to come to appearance and menus to add the wish list new menu to my header. And I'll also open the customize page right here. Let's come to appearance and customize. I'm going to open this in another tab. So we are back to our menu, and I'm going to select this guy right here, wish list, so I can add it to the main menu of my website. So I'm going to select wish list, and I'm going to click on add to menu. Cool, we have it right here. So I'm just going to reorder it. I want it right here before my account. I'm going to click on save menu. Let me click on the home again, so we see our wish list menu button right here. I'm going to come back to the customize page to do some other settings, so we finalize our website. So we are back to our customize page, and the first place I want to edit is my header builder. So I'm going to come to my header builder, and I want to edit this guy right here, the account. What I want to do is set our account URL. So let me come back to this page, and I'm going to copy the link to my account page right here. I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to come back. I'm going to close this guy and I'm going to come back here to paste. So I just pasted the link to my account page and open another tab. Yes, blah blah blah, others can be set later on. And I'm going to come back here and we'll come back to the customized page. I'm going to click on WooCommerce and okay, for store notice you can add store notice to your website. So let me quickly enable that. Let me enable store notice. Let's assume you are running a slash price, or you are running a giveaway, or you are running maybe a black sales, Black Friday, or you are doing pre-order or something like that. You can add a store notice to your website that will appear at the top of your website. So you can edit the text right here. You can edit the text right here. You can customize the text right here and put whatever you want there. Probably you want to use a particular coupon code to get discounts. You can also use it. And I think we are basically done. You can edit, you can go through these settings also and customize it as you wish. I'm going to click on publish. Cool. As you can see, we have a store notice right here. So you can just go back to the store notice to customize it, set it, change the color, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to reload this page, and as you can see, we have our store notice right here. So let me open the wishlist page in another tab. I'm going to open this in another tab, my account. I'm going to open it in another tab, and I'm going to click on the shop page. So you can go ahead to disable the store notice or customize it as you wish. But for me, I'm just going to disable this guy because most times I don't use it. If you want to pass an information on your website, it is better to make use of pop-ups. So I'm just going to disable the store notice and I'm going to close this page. And I think we're done on this page. I'm going to close it. Wait for the my account page to open, and we have this is your account. Though you can also customize this, but if you want to know how to customize this properly, you need to make it to the mentorship program. So this is where your users see their dashboard, their orders, the things they've ordered for, their downloads. If you are putting up a digital downloaded product on your website, their downloads, their addresses, their payment method, the cards they've saved on your website, account details, and this is where they can log out. So this is the my account page. I'm going to close this, and we have the wishlist page. This is the wishlist page. That is when people click on add to wishlist. This is the wishlist page. This is what they get. So they can remove from wishlist, they can add to cart from here, or they can just delete this guy from wishlist, and they can also share it with their audience. So you can customize this to make it more mobile responsive and have a nice layout. Going to close this, and even on the shop page, you now have add to cart and also add to wishlist. You can see remove from wishlist right here. So these are the things you can do with WooCommerce, Elementor, Yeet, WooCommerce wishlist, and Woolentor. And this is where we're going to stop for this video tutorial. Of course, I remain Moses. I'm going to see you in the next video.